Hi guys, this is Steph, the Midwest Cowgirl, and we're going to do a quick lesson on how to tie off your Mecate reins. Honey here is my model again, and first we're going to jump right into it. So I've got my bridle on already, so if you're not sure how to bridle your horse, watch my previous video on how to properly bridle your horse. Alright, so I'm going to take my reins in my Mecate. I'm going to take my reins over here. I'm going to gently put them over her ears like this. And a good way to see the proper length of your reins is your Mecate. So if I put it over the horn, is my slobber straps hang almost straight down. That's how you know it's a good length. If they're up here, your reins are too short. So you want them just at a right good spot right here where they hang down and there's enough slack in your reins for your horse. I'm going to take them back off the horn. And I'm going to take my Mecate. So if it's ever like this, and resting over your rein, you want to fix it. You don't want it resting on your rein. You don't want any additional pressure on here to cause your horse any confusion. So you're gonna take your extra Mecate string, bring it up here, put it through the gullet and hand it to yourself. And same, you want it the same length as your reins. So I'm gonna make sure I'm keeping an eye on that. So you can adjust it by pulling and shortening it. Now you don't want the Mecate past their knee. So here, it's a little too long for my liking. So I'm gonna take this rope, I'm gonna twist it and turn it towards the horn, like that. And I'm gonna put it over the horn and pull down so it's snug. And now we have the perfect length where it's not gonna hit her and cause her any discomfort and bother her. So if you notice that your rope is too long, so this one's a good length, but if my rope was longer, I still had some length to it, I would take it and I'd tie it up again like this. But you want it so that it's not, and kind of water falls down. You don't want a big mess up here because that's gonna get in your way and it's just gonna fall off the horn. So you can take that and like that. And some saddles actually have strings hanging down here, so you can tie them to the strings too if you want to do that, but I like to have them on the horn. So, and that's a perfect length for Honey. Put my reins back on the horn. So, and that's how you tie up your Mecates. So if you guys have any questions on this, again, as always, comment, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.